I'm at the drawing hall trying to recall all of my night I spent on you. Where are the lines gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the other points I drew? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember where all the points used to be. It's even harder to picture that stupid plane next to P. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in my time that you wasted, all of my marks just burned down. I wasted my nights, you screwed up my sight. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time. We drew parallel lines, but even they don't seem to be precise. I'm at the drawing hall trying to recall all of my nights I spent on you. Where are the lines gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the other points I drew? If happy ever after did exist, I would never have to do this shit. Stupid French curves don't do a thing. One more dumb projection, I'll be safe. To admit I was proud of all of the lines that I traced. I gave you my sheet to look at, but you just laughed in my face. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of my marks just burned down. I wasted my nights, you screwed up my sight. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time. We drew parallel lines, but even they don't seem to be precise. I'm at the drawing hall trying to recall all of the nights I spent on you. Where are the lines gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the other points I drew? If happy ever after did exist, I would never have to do this shit. Stupid French girls don't do a thing. One more dumb projection,